Today, we're going to be discussing the golden ratio, a bizarre mathematical occurrence observable in nature and art on a vast scale, from the parameters of DNA molecules to the expansion of the universe. This irrational number has been a naturally occurring phenomena from before recorded human history, and has been studied mathematically since the ancient Greeks. Because of its geometric properties, the golden ratio has been incorporated in all areas of artistic design, from the architecture of the Great Pyramids of Giza to the famous Renaissance-era artworks of Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo, to classical music pieces such as Mozart's Sonata No. 1 in C major and Beethoven's Fifth Symphony. In nature, the golden ratio's geometric patterns can be observed in the anatomical structures of plant and animal tissue, as well as in organic bodies such as seashells, hurricanes, galaxies, and Donald Trump's hair. So, from a mathematical perspective, what exactly is the golden ratio? The golden ratio is an irrational number defined by the quotient a on b, and can be geometrically represented as a rectangle with length a plus b and width a. This means our ratio is given by the area of this rectangle divided by the area given by the square of the width. Given acceptable dimensions for the rectangle, this quotient will be the golden ratio, phi equals 1.618. The golden ratio is also directly related to the Fibonacci sequence, where each term is the sum of the previous two terms, denoted as Fn equals Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2. This gives the series 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. Presenting a series of terms where Tn equals Fn over Fn minus 1 gives 1, 2, 3 over 2, 5 over 3, 8 over 5, 13 over 8, etc. For higher values of n, the terms become progressively closer to the limit of the series, which is the golden ratio, phi equals 1.618.
Ancient Greek mathematicians first studied what we now call the golden ratio because of its frequent appearance in geometry. Euclid's Elements, which was written in 300 BC, provides several propositions and their proofs about the golden ratio, and contains its first known definition. Luca Pacioli named his book Divina Proportione in 1509, and after the ratio, and explored its properties, including its appearance in some of the Platonic solids. Leonardo da Vinci called the ratio the secchio aurea, or golden section. German mathematician Simon Jacob noted that consecutive Fibonacci numbers converge to the golden ratio. By 1910, mathematician Mark Barr began using the Greek letter phi as a symbol for the golden ratio. More intriguing yet is the extensive appearance of phi throughout the human form, in the face, body, and fingers. It is recognized that Leonardo da Vinci used phi, known in the 1500s as the divine proportion, in a number of his paintings. Other artists, including Raphael, Sandro Botticelli, Georges Seurat, did as well. The dimensions of the treasured Stradivarius violins, built in 1700, show phi relationships. Curiously enough, we even find the golden ratio relationships in our solar system and universe. NASA released findings in 2003 that the shape of the universe is a dodecahedron based on phi.
Designers and artists of all groups consciously use the golden ratio today to make their work more appealing. Phi is even applied in both facial plastic surgery and cosmetic dentistry as a guide to achieving the best results in facial features and appearance.